How to fix Hotstar app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Hotstar app not working problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings and now you have to go to install apps. Click on install apps and now you have to search for Hotstar. Here is it, so click on Hotstar. And now you can see force stop button. Click on force stop and you have to press OK. And you can see storage. Click on storage and now you have to clear all the data. And now go back and now you can see app permission. Click on app permission and now you have to allow all the permission. And then restart your phone and reopen your app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.